There you go. You just don't like the noise. Get it? Good boy, Grayson. Yes, Jasper, Shiloh. What you got? I see. Yes. Okay, hold on. Oh, you guys think it's playtime. Good boy, Grayson. You got yourself a new toy that we didn't even know we had. All those years later. Okay, honey, hold on. I'm trying to tape. Hold on. Your brother just got over being very sick. Well, you gonna hide now? I'm gonna stalk it? You gonna come out like the mountain lion you are? Yes, Bella. Good boy. Oh, you'll feel so much better. All right, Bella. Okay, Jasper, Shiloh. Okay, hold on. Sit for a minute. Sit down for a minute. Sit. Please. Come on. You're making me shake this camera all over. All right. Yes. Oh. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good boys. Yes. All right. Okay. Good boy. Get your monkey. What you thinking, Grayson? Yes, honey. Just give me a second, please. Oh, my Lord. Hold on, honey. Oh my God, you are just too much. Yes, I see. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Are we done? You're not. I know. Okay. Oh. All right. Okay, it's night time, honey. It's night. Say goodnight. Say goodnight. Good night, Bella. Good girl. Why you look so sad? Bella? See, at night time, the babies won't settle, huh? Okay. Bella, what's the matter? Bella? I know. Oh. I had to pet you. Okay. Oh, would you stop? Oh my goodness, here. Yep, that's the dryer calling me. All right. Okay. Yes, I know. You want the night. I know. Okay, you got the night. Night. Okay, it's night, honey. Come on.